Today we will have great fun with the text tool of Infinite Painter, which is a great update. Let's get started. For adding text, first navigate to Tools menu and then select Text Tool. Double tap to edit the text. Now add the text you want. Hit OK. Navigate to the Font tab and then select the desired font. Increase the text size. Transform it to the middle of canvas. Now it's time to change the color of text. Select the yellowish color, make it slightly darker. Now navigate to Outline option, change the color to darker, like black, and then increase the size of outline. It should not be much thicker. Now duplicate the text layer, navigate to lower layer, and change its color from yellow to black. Now transform the lower text to slightly lower position and slightly to the left side to make it a shadow of text. Yeah, that's perfect. Navigate to lower layer and fill in the empty spaces of shadows using solid fill. Okay, now we need a selected area of text. For this, duplicate the text layer, remove its outline, and then select this layer. Now we don't want this layer, so we will delete this layer. Now the text area is selected. Next, add a layer above all. Moving on, select white color and fill some parts of the text using solid fill. Now select orangish color, make it slightly darker, and fill some other parts too. Okay, cool. Now add a layer and position it below all layers. Now select a bluish color. Select oval lettering brush from calligraphy folder. Okay, let's just set the vibe with the background. Add some random lines, shapes, circles, splashes, whatever feels fun. I'm just messing around here. No rules, no perfect lines. The whole point is to make it playful. It's literally just me having fun with the outlines and shapes, no stress. And honestly, I love this kind of doodling. It makes the whole thing feel free and creative. And that's what this space is about. It's open, it's yours to mess around with. So just go wild with it. Okay, now add a layer above it. Select the dark color and decrease the size of oval lettering brush. Alright, now comes the fun part, black doodle lines. Grab your pen, your finger, whatever you're drawing with, we're just gonna let it flow over the blues. Start throwing down random shapes, swirls, jagged lines, little circles, and loops that go nowhere. No plan, no ruler, no stress. It's chaos, but it's controlled chaos. Doodle like nobody's watching. Draw circles in the corners, connect two random splashes with a zigzag, some squiggles around the letters. You're not drawing to impress anyone. You are drawing because it feels good. The blue was calm and cool, but now it's got movement. Every line is like a thought you did not even know you had. Don't overthink it. If it feels too empty, add another line. And if it feels too busy, stop. That's it. The whole point is you are enjoying it while it happens. You can see it coming together little by little, and that's addictive. It's not about getting it right, it's about getting into it. And that's it. Black doodles over blue, messy, playful, and totally yours. Alright, increase the size of brush, and I'm going to add thick straight strokes above and below the space text to hit it harder against the background. Now add a layer above all. Now I am taking black and dropping in dots all over the text. Little accents, that make it feel gritty, textured, and alive. Next up, long press to pick the white color. White shine, just hitting the edges of his face so it catches the light like it's glowing a bit. And in the background, more doodling. White dots scatter into the blues plus random lines and squiggles. No plan, no perfect shapes. Just have fun while doodling it. Alright, now we are switching with green circles, like different sizes circles, thick ones and thin one as well. Just throwing them around the text, around the doodles where it feels right. And we are done. Like, share, and subscribe.